Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix Instagram highlight not loading problem. So the answer is easy, just to go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search. Wait a second. Go to the search and search Instagram. Then go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. You can go check it and you can go check it in if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn on the airplane mode, or you can clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Instagram's data will be deleted. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.